Hello, everybody. Welcome to Maglio's HVAC, one of the newest contractors here to assist with your heating and cooling needs. Today, I'd like to take the opportunity to talk to you about one of the largest problems faced by heating and air conditioning companies, and more often than not, it is brought to them by the customers that they are taking care of. This main problem is the lack of maintenance that has been done on their heating and cooling systems. Furnaces have been taken care of, air conditioners haven't been cleaned out, air filters haven't been changed. Now, when this takes place, units are prone to breaking down because of a buildup of dirt and debris and different environmental conditions. One of the best ways to alleviate this problem and to keep equipment from breaking down is by doing proper maintenance. One of the easiest steps in performing maintenance for your units is changing the air filter. I always recommend having a good quality air filter. What I tend to use is a pleated air filter, which catches 75% more dirt, dust, and contaminants than just a standard poly filter. One of the big problems that people tend to not pay attention to when they install one of these filters is the direction that they're putting it in. As you can see on this filter, it's pleated on both sides. On this side, you can see where it has this shiny metal that holds in this pleated filter. The other side is not. You want to make sure that when you're installing this filter, that these metal pieces go towards the fan and the direction that the air is being pulled into the unit. Is due to lack of maintenance, a lot of times what will happen is that if this filter is installed backwards and the side without this metal on it is installed back towards the fan, the pressure will pull this filter right into the unit and it'll pull this whole filter apart. That's one thing that you want to avoid doing. Other step that I want to mention when you have a good company come in, make sure that they have a checklist that they're following. Any good company will have a whole list of different items that they're going to be checking and making sure that all the units and systems are running properly. Some of these inventory items include definitely making sure that the air filters are changed. Check to make sure that the fan blades are clean on the blower motors or the fan assemblies for the air conditioning units. If you have an older unit that requires a fan belt, check the fan belt to make sure that it's not rotted out. There's no cracks or splits in it. It's not stretched beyond its usefulness. Make sure that you're pulling the correct electrical amps on the units. If you have a gas furnace, check to make sure that the gas pressure is correct. Make sure that the burner assemblies are clean and not plugged up, and that you're not creating excess exhaust or blockage in the unit. Making sure that the air conditioning coils, the condenser coil outside, are properly clean and you have good airflow through the system. One thing that most people don't understand is that the way that air conditioning works is by a transfer, not necessarily of the temperature, but the air from the inside to the outside.